Little closer.
Oh, big rock, big rock.
No, that's not it. That's not the end. Oh, this one is. Shit. Hey, big rock.
Mom, you're going on it today. No.
I think we're okay.
You're fine.
We're
In a roller coaster. Don't ever abandon your raft
Big waves.
at all times. Woo! That was chilly. Where are we going? Where are you headed?
Off the end here. Oh, boy.
Yeah, we're gonna go under a bridge.
Oh, jeez, I almost hit you in the face. I'm so sorry. I'm not doing very good here with this.
You gotta stick it in the ground and push off. There you go. Every day.
Mom's coming on it today.
Oh, I'm touching bottom here.
Oh, heads up.
Wait, I gotta push you guys off this rock. You're on a rock.
Faster than a roller coaster.
Fun like yours will surely come my way.
I can feel it in my butt.
Is it Bertha? No. Are you sure? The middle. Bertha's a big one, just like opening them.
Josh missed it.
What is that?
Oh, God, oh, God, water.
Here we go, here we go.
Alright, we're going to the middle now.
Alright, I'm used to the water now.
You guys are like, oh, this is so relaxing.
Oh, yeah, it's so relaxing. We're going to watch the metal over there. That's where I think Jen rubbed up against that metal last time.
No, this one is
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, don't hit that.
Hi, camera.
It'll pop us.
Okay, we can relax for a while.
Another fast bike.
Angela, can you climb into that bag?
Yeah. She probably could. She probably could. I'm holding my cooler up so the speaker doesn't get wet.
Okay, I got.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
This worked.
I could probably reach it.
I got it. No, don't. Oh,
Look at that MacGyver move.
this is comfy too. Think about taking my shoes off.
That's fine. Set it right in there.
Hair clip he's using? No.
No, it's a selfie stick.
You're gonna get stuck.
That was high.
That's not big.
You get the aerial view.
Bigger than that. Yeah, way bigger.
What are you filming?
Filming everybody.
The center of the...
Okay, you're gonna drop it.
Oh god, this song's depressing.
Everybody hurts.
So stop pushing. We're good, Mom.
Are we good? Am I steering us
We're good,
away from
Mom.
it or to it?
Wait, we're good. Trying to get near. That's not Big Bertha, though.
Here's a bag of chips. Put your knees together. Grab the bag of chips. Alright,
Have the
pass the
chips.
chips that way so they can have some.
Have the
Maybe
chips.
Carrie wants a chip. Want a chip, Carrie?
Hey, I just asked for the chips, Mom.
Okay, you had some. Carrie can have it.
Put your butts up and shower. That's not Big Bertha. Oh, there's another rock right there. Is that Big Bertha right there? Doesn't Big Bertha stick out?
Yeah, Big Bertha really sticks out.
Well, like 3 feet out of the water.
Alright. Here. What? Oh,
Cold.
one bag of chips, please.
Woo!
Hey, that wasn't bad. Yeah, boy. Alright, Bertha wasn't here. Stop it! Water on my nose.
Does anybody want some chips? Does anybody want any chips?
Anybody want chips? No. Throwing them down.
I did some digging on that bitch.
What are you doing? What are you doing? That was fun.
That was fun. Mike just wanted my where'd that go from?
Let's see if any of these people get stuck. Big Bertha, come here. He said see. He almost got that.
You almost got hung up, huh?
Oh!
You're not supposed to stay here with the wet butt.
That's what I do here.
You're being thrown in the lake, mozzarella.
Go to work. Poor Sabrina. Sabrina's probably the most exhausted out of this. Everyone out of the whole trip. No, Sabrina will.
Dad, tell me to Dad,
We need to do some fireball! Fireball!
Step back, G. On the freezer.
We'll get rid of it.
That's a good idea.
I do too.
They're coming in hot.
Oh. Can I try? After you're done, I want to try. Oh, it smells like a restaurant.
What? Go jump off the dock.
No, Dad, I'm not jumping off. Can we go paddling now? Bust me, bust me! Dad, please can we go paddling and you can bring your camera?
Huh?
Go paddling and we can go. You can bring your camera. Higher!
No.
I'll go higher.
No! Higher! Higher! There's here. I'll be the person who says so. There is. That. Pushing. Little miniature. I'll hold it. Nothing. Can I hold it? Can I hold it? No, I wanna try that. I wanna try that. I wanna try to hold it.
Hold it straight.
Here, I'm gonna try. Nobody wants you to try. I want it. Oh. Oh. Guys. Guys, here's up. What was that? You can't get me.
Gotcha.
Wait a minute.
Oh, you're sliding up.
Oh, close the tree. Oh, Spaniel! Oh, wow! Yeah! Here we go, yo! Here we go! I'm gonna close my eyes. Okay. Watch out, Sabrina. Oh my gosh. Okay, hey. What's up? Oh, this is fun. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Oh, sorry. Woo! Self-esteem time. Woo! Self-esteem time. Woo! This is so creepy. So creepy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 This is hard just holding it straight this whole time. Whew. I'm spinning around, Sabrina. Woo! Oh! Help me! Ah! Sorry. A big one right there, right. There's a big one right there. Right there. Whew, that's stinking. Okay, guys, we're spinning now. You guys are probably gonna be getting dizzy right now, but I don't really care. Maybe I do. Hey, sorry.
Angela, can I braid your hair again? Will you let me try what I did last night, but try it like a different way? The bun? Dad, come here.
Hi, baby. I'm the professional at the bars. Gianna, film me.
Oh.
Poison. I miss Carrie dancing though. I almost hit record too. It was too late.
What? What?
Who sings this?
You don't know who sings Poison?
Yes, I do.
He says his name in the song. Dip DeVoe.
Yeah, you know.
Angela,
Let's
come here.
go.
Driving me out of my mind. That girl is hard for me to find. Out of my head. Love her, kiss her, of her. This poison. Ooh.